हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग नीट के प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर एनहांसमेंट इन फूड प्रोडक्शन चैप्टर के। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, होमोजाइगस प्योर लाइन इन कैटल कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय। A option is mating of related individuals of same breed. B option is mating of unrelated individual of same breed. C option is mating of individual of different breed. D option is mating of individual of different species. तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ए। बी 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। आर्टिफिशियल सिलेक्शन टू ऑब्टेन काउ यील्डिंग हाई मिल्क आउटपुट रिप्रेजेंट ए स्टेबलाइजिंग सिलेक्शन एज इट स्टेबलाइज द कैरेक्टर इन द पॉपुलेशन। बी डायरेक्शनल एज इट pushes the mean of the character in one direction. C disruptive as it splits the population into two, one yielding higher output and other lower output. C stabilizing followed by disruptive as stabilizes the population of produce high yielded cows. तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा बी। तीन नंबर क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। अ सिस्टम ऑफ रोटेटिंग क्रॉप्स विद लेग्यूम्स और ग्रास। अ सिस्टम ऑफ रोटेटिंग क्रॉप्स विद लेग्यूम और ग्रास पास्चर to improve soil structure and fertility is called A counter farming, B strip farming, C shifting agriculture, D lay farming. The right answer is D lay farming. 4 number question, interspecific hybridization is the mating of A animals within same breed without having common ancestor. B two different related species. C superior male and female of different breeds. D more closely related individual within same breed for 4 to 6 generation. The right answer is B two different related species. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन पे, अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग एडिबल फिशेज विच वन इज मेराइन फिश हैविंग रिच सोर्स ऑफ ओमेगा 3 फैटी एसिड। ए मिस्टस, बी मंगूर, सी मरीगाला, डी मैकेरेल। द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस इज डी। सिक्स नंबर क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। आउटब्रीडिंग इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ एनिमल हस्बेंड्री बिकॉज इट ए हेल्प इन एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ सुपीरियर जीन्स, बी इज हेल्पफुल इन प्रोड्यूसिंग प्योर लाइन ऑफ एनिमल, C is useful in overcoming inbreeding depression, C exposes harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by selection. The right answer for this is C. अब 7वां क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। To obtain virus-free healthy plants from a disease from a diseased one by tissue culture technique. Which part of diseased plant will be taken? A. Apical meristem only. B. Palisade parenchyma. C. Both apical and axillary meristem. D. Epidermis only. The right answer for this is C. Both apical and axillary meristem. 8 number question. In plant breeding program, the entire collection of plants or seeds having all diverse allele for all gene in given crop is called A. Selection of superior recombinants. B. Cross hybridization among the selected parents. C. Evaluating and selection of parents. D. Germ plas collection. So right answer is D. 9 number question. 9 number question says that which one of the following is a case of wrong matching? So find out wrong matching. A. Somatic hybridization, fusion of two diverse cell, vector DNA, site for tRNA synthesis, micropropagation, in vitro production of plant in large number, callous unorganized mass of cells produced in tissue culture. Right answer is B. 9 का right answer है B. Consider the following 4 statements for first to 4 and select the option which includes all the correct ones only. First statement: a single cell spirulina can produce large quantity of food rich in protein, mineral, vitamin, etc. Second statement: body weight wise, the microorganism Methylophilus methylotrophoz may be able to produce several times more protein than the cow per day. 3. Common button mushroom are very rich source of vitamin C. D. A rice variety has been developed which is rich in calcium. The right answer for this question is D. Statement first and second are only correct. Eleven question. Jaya and Ratna, developed for green revolution in India, are the variety of A. Maize, B. Rice, C. Wheat, D. Bajra. The Jaya and Ratna are the varieties of B. Rice. Himgiri, developed by hybridization and selection for disease resistance against rust pathogen, is variety of. So this is the variety of wheat. 12D. Consider the following statement 1 to 4 about organic farming. Organic farming, first statement: utilizes genetically modified crop like BT cotton. Second, it use only naturally produced input like compost. Does not use pesticides and urea. 4. Produce vegetable rich in vitamin and minerals. So right answer for this question is C. Second and third is right for organic farming. Second, use only natural produced inputs like compost, and 3, does not use pesticides and urea. Next question we have: when two unrelated individuals When two unrelated individuals, sorry, 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन का होगा राइट आंसर सी, सॉरी सी राइट था। When two unrelated individuals or lines are crossed, the performance of F1 hybrid is often superior to both its parents. This phenomena is called as A. Transformation, B. Splicing, C. Metamorphosis, D. Heterosis. The right answer for this is D. Mutation can be induced with 15 number question. Mutation can be induced with A. IAA, B. Ethylene, C. Gamma radiation, D. Infrared radiation. So mutation can be induced by gamma radiation. 16 number question. Breeding of crop with high level of minerals, vitamins and protein is called A. Somatic hybridization, B. Biofortification, C. Biomagnification, D. Micropropagation. Right answer is B. Biofortification. 17 number question. Soma clones are obtained by A. Plant breeding, B. Irradiation, C. Genetic engineering, D. Tissue culture. So soma clones is obtained by tissue culture. 18th question. Which one of the following is linked to the discovery of Bordeaux mixture as a popular fungicide? A. Loose smut of wheat, B. Black rust of wheat, C. Bacterial leaf blight of rice, D. Downy mildew of grapes. So 18 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा डी, डाउनी मिल्ड्यू ऑफ ग्रेप्स। नेक्स्ट चलते हैं 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन पे। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग 4 measures 1 to 4 that could be taken as successfully grown chickpea in a area where bacterial blight disease is common. A यानी कि फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट स्प्रे विथ बोर्डॉक्स मिक्सचर, सेकेंड कंट्रोल द इंसेक्ट वेक्टर ऑफ द डिजीज पैथोजन, थर्ड use of only disease free seed, 4 use of varieties resistant to the disease. So 19 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा बी, फर्स्ट एंड 4 आर करेक्ट फॉर दिस, स्प्रे विथ बोर्डॉक्स मिक्सचर एंड 4 use of varieties resistant of this disease. 20 number question. In cloning of cattle, a fertilized egg is taken out of the mother's womb and in the 8 cell stage cells are separated and cultured until small embryos are formed, which are implanted into womb of other cows in the cows. B. In the 8 cell stage, the individual cell are separated under electrical field for further development in culture media. C. From this, up to 8 identical twins can be produced. D. Thus, egg is divided into 4 pair of cells. which are implanted into womb of other cow. The right answer for this is A. In 8 cell stage, cells are separated and cultured until small embryos are formed which are implanted into the womb of other cows. Question number 21. Compared to a bull, a bullock is docile because of A. Higher level of cortisone, B. Lower level of blood testosterone, C. Lower level of adrenaline or noradrenaline in its blood, D. Higher level of thyroxine. Right answer for this is B. Lower level of blood testosterone. 22. Which one of the following is a viral disease of poultry? A. Coryza, B. Newcastle disease, C. Pasteurellosis, Pasteurellosis, D. Salmonellosis. Salmonellosis. So right answer for 22 is B. Newcastle disease is a viral disease in poultry. 23. Which one of the following pair is mismatched? A. Pila globosa, pearl, B. Apis indica, honey, Kenya lacca, lag, Bombyx mori, silk. So which one is mismatched? 23. Right answer is A. Pila globosa is mismatched. 24. Farmer in particular region were concerned that premature yellowing of leaves of pulse crop might cause disease in the field. Which treatment could be most beneficial to obtain maximum seed yield? A. Frequent irrigation of the crop, B. Treatment of the plant with cytokinins along with a small dose of nitrogenous fertilizers, C. Removal of all yellow leaves and spraying the remaining green leaves with 2,4,5 trichlorophenoxyacetic acid, D. Application of iron and magnesium to promote synthesis of chlorophyll. Right answer is of 24 is D. Application of iron and magnesium to promote synthesis of chlorophyll. 25. In maize, hybrid vigor is exploited by A. Inducing mutation, B. Bombarding of protoplast with DNA, C. Crossing of two inbred parental lines, D. Harvesting seed from the most productive plant. 25 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा डी, C. Crossing of two inbred parental lines. 26. In order to obtain virus-free plant through tissue culture, The best method is A. Meristem culture, B. Protoplast culture, C. Embryo culture, D. Anther culture. Oh, 26 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. So, come to the 27. Golden rice is a transgenic crop of the future with the following improved trait: A. High lysine, essential amino acid content. B. Insect resistance. C. High protein content. D. High vitamin A content. So golden rice have high vitamin A content. (28) Crop plant grow in monoculture are A. Low in yield. B. Free from intra-specific competition. C. Characterized by poor root system. D. High prone to pest. 28 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा D. High prone to pests. 29 Triticale, the first man-made cereal crop, has been obtained by crossing wheat with A. Rye, B. Peel's millet, C. sugarcane, D. barley. 29 का हो जाएगा A. Rye. 30 Three crops that contribute maximum to the global food grain production are A. Wheat, rice and maize, B. Wheat, maize and sorghum, C. Rice, maize and sorghum, D. Wheat, rice and barley. 30 का हो जाएगा A. Wheat, rice and maize. 31 The name of Norman Borlaug is associated with most easy question. Norman Borlaug is the father of Green Revolution. 32 Why is vivipary an undesirable character for annual crop plants? A. It reduces the vigor of plant. B. The seed cannot be stored under normal condition for the next season. C. The seed exhibit long dormancy. D. It adversely affect the fertility of plant. So 32 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B. The seed cannot be stored under normal condition for the next season. 33 Which of the following is generally used for induced mutagenesis in crop plants? A. X-ray, B. UV rays, C. Gamma rays, D. Alpha rays. So mutation in plants is done by gamma rays. 33 का हो जाएगा C. The world's highly prized wool yielding pashmina breed is A. Goat, B. Sheep, C. Goat sheep cross, D. Kashmir sheep Afghan sheep cross. So 34 का हो जाएगा राइट A is goat. India's wheat yield revolution in 1960 was possible primarily due to A. Hybrid seeds, B. Increased chlorophyll content, C. Mutation resulting in plant height reduction, D. Quantitative trait mutation. 35 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. Mutations resulting in plant height reduction. 36 Which of the following crop have been to India from New World? A. Cashew, potato, rubber. B. Mango tea. C. Tea, rubber, mango. D. Coffee. 36 का हो जाएगा राइट आंसर ए, कैशनट, पोटैटो, रबर. 37. What is the best pH of soil for cultivation? 37 का हो जाएगा सी, 4.5 to 8.5. 38. Before the European invaders, which vegetable were absent in India? Before European invaders, which vegetable was absent in India? A. Potato and tomato. B. Simla mirch and brinjal. C. Maize and chichinda. D. Bitter gourd. So 38 का हो जाएगा A. Potato and tomato is exported by Europeans. Imported by Europeans in India. 39. Which statement is correct about center of origin of plants? Which statement correct about center of origin of plants? A. More diversity in varieties. B. Frequency of dominant gene is more. C. Climatic conditions are more favorable. D. None of the above. 39 का हो जाएगा A. More diversity in varieties. 40. Which of the most important reason why wild plants should thrive is that these are a good source of A. Unsaturated edible oils. B. Highly nutritive animal feed. C. Genes for resistant to disease and pest. D. Rare and high sought after fruit of medical importance. 40 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा 40 का राइट आंसर होगा सी, जीन्स फॉर रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ डिजीज एंड पेस्ट. 41. The new variety of plants are produced by A. Selection and hybridization. B. Selection and introduction. C. Mutation and selection. D. Introduction and mutation. Right answer is 41 का A. 42. The reason why vegetatively reproducing crop plant are best suited for maintaining hybrid vigor is that A. They can be easily propagated. B. They have a longer lifespan. C. They are more resistant to disease. D. Once a desired hybrid is produced, there are no chance of losing it. 42 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा डी. 43. Which one among the following chemicals is used for causing defoliation for forestry? Which one among of the following chemicals is used for causing defoliation for forestry? A. MO 1618. B. Phosphon D. C. Malic hydrazide. D. 2,4-D. 43 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा डी, 2,4-D. 44. Which plant will lose its economic value if its fruit are produced by induced parthenocarpy? यानी क्वेश्चन कह रहा है किस फ्रूट का काम ख़त्म हो जाएगा अगर उसमें पार्थेनोकार्बी कर दिया जाए। पार्थेनोकार्बी में होता क्या है कि उसमें सीड नहीं होता है वैसा फ्रूट में। तो अगर अनार में से, पोमग्रेनेट में से का पार्थेनोकार्बी किया जाए तो वो उसका इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू ख़त्म हो जाएगा। 45 of the world's top 5 crops in terms of annual production. A 3 belong to Poaceae, 1 to Leguminaceae, 1 to Solanaceae. B 4 belongs to Poaceae, 1 to Leguminosae. C 4 belongs to Poaceae, 1 to Solanaceae. D all 5 belongs to Poaceae. 45 का आंसर, राइट आंसर हो जाएगा सी 4 बिलोंग्स टू पोएसी, 1 टू सोलेनेसी। 46 हनी इज ए एसिडिक, बी न्यूट्रल, सी अल्कलाइन, डी। 46 हनी इज ए एसिडिक, बी न्यूट्रल, सी अल्कलाइन, डी बेसिक आफ्टर सम डेज। 46 का हो जाएगा ए एसिडिक, हनी इज एसिडिक। 47 हाई मिल्क yielding varieties of cows are obtained by A super ovulation, B artificial insemination, C use of surrogate mother, D all of the above। 47 का हो जाएगा ए सुपर ओव्यूलेशन। 48 पेब्राइन इज डिजीज ऑफ ए हनी बी, बी फिश, सी सिल्कवर्म, डी लैक इंसेक्ट्स। सो पेब्राइन इज डिजीज ऑफ सिल्कवर्म। 49 pasteurization of milk involve heating for a 60 minutes at about 90 degrees Celsius, B 30 minutes at about 50 degrees Celsius, C 30 minutes at about 65 degrees Celsius, D 60 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius। Right answer for this is C 30 minutes at about 65 degrees Celsius। 50 the earliest animal to have been domesticated by man was most likely the A horse, B cow, C dog, D pig। Which one following is right? C dog। 51 the long term prospects for a truly human civilization depend in a large measure on A the ability of humanity to moderate its fecundity, B increasing the food production, C colonization of underpopulated areas, D control of human disease। 51 का हो जाएगा D control of human disease। 52 the silkworm, silk is product of A cuticle of larva, B cuticle of adult, C salivary gland of larva, D salivary gland of adult। C is the right answer, salivary gland of larva। 53 haploid plant culture are got from A leaves, B root tip, C pollen grain, D buds। pollen grain are haploids। 54 most of our crop plants are A autopolyploid in origin, B allopolyploid in origin. C. Mixed genotypic in origin. D. Heterozygous in origin. Or A is right option. Autopolyploid in origin. 55. Haploid plants are preferred over diploids for mutation study because in haploids A. Recessive mutation expressed immediately. B. Induction of mutation is easier. C. Culturing is easier. D. Dominant mutation expressed immediately. 55 का हो जाएगा A. Recessive mutation expressed immediately. 56. In crop improvement program, haploids are important because they A. Require one half of nutrients. B. Are useful in study of meiosis. C. Grow better under adverse condition. D. For perfect homozygous. D is the right answer.